It was a beautiful morning at the military base. Parachutes floated down from the sky as soldiers prepared for another day. But suddenly, an alarm blared. The Beige Army Men were attacking.
Attention, soldiers! We have an incoming attack! Everyone, to your positions!
The Green Army Men were outnumbered, and the situation was dire.
They're coming through the fences! We need to protect our base! Gather in front and prepare to defend!
Sergeant Sam felt a moment of doubt, but quickly stood in front of his army, ready to inspire them.
Soldiers, we may be outnumbered, but we have the heart of lions. Let's show them the power of teamwork. Today, we fight as one!
The battle began with both sides launching cannonballs and missiles.
Hold your ground, soldiers! Use the traps and ambushes we set up! We can do this!
The Beige Army Men were caught off guard, and the Green Army Men managed to push them back.
Hooray! We did it!
But just as they celebrated, the Beige Army Men launched a second, more powerful assault with jets and tanks.
Watch out! Here they come again! And they have jets this time! Stay strong, everyone!
The Green Army Men were pushed back to the base, their defenses crumbling. Morale was dropping. In a desperate move, Sergeant Sam had an idea.
Follow me, soldiers! We're going through the tunnel! This is our last chance! Surprise! Now let's take them down!
The Green Army Men, led by Sergeant Sam, successfully launched a surprise attack. The Beige Army Men were facing defeat.
We did it! We saved the base!
The Green Army Men did it. They really did it. Sergeant Sam stood on the elevated platform, looking proudly over his troops.
You were all amazing today. You showed great bravery, teamwork, and resilience. Remember, together, we are unbeatable!
Remember, kids, no matter how big the challenge, when we work together and believe in ourselves, we can overcome anything. And with that, the Green Army Men cheered, knowing they had won the day thanks to their courage and unity.